Hi friends, welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Layer poultry farming means raising egg-laying poultry birds for the purpose of commercial egg production. Layer chickens are such a special species of hens, which need to be raised from when they are 1 day old. They start laying eggs commercially from 18 to 19 weeks of age. They remain laying eggs continuously till they're 72 to 78 weeks of age. They can produce about 1 kilogram of eggs by consuming about 2.25 kilograms of food during their egg-laying period. For the purpose of producing hybrid eggs layer, consider the various characteristics of cock and hen before breeding. There are various types of highly egg-productive layer breeds available throughout the world. 1. Layer hen selection. You have to keep in mind some essential information before selecting the layer hens for your poultry farming business. You have to select those breeds which are suitable for your layer poultry farming business and can produce well in your area. 2. Keeping chicks for layer poultry farming. During the first weeks after birth, many chicks do not want to drink water due to transporting them from one place to another. So you have to make adequate water drinking systems in their brooded house, and you have to train them for drinking water. Mix 5% glucose with water, so that they can easily get energy. 3. Vaccination and its importance for layer poultry farming. Vaccination program is a must for chicks for keeping them free from all types of diseases. Timely vaccination makes disease resistance power in the body of chick. Help to keep the hen free from infective poultry diseases. Disease prevalence will be less. Mortality rate will reduce. And low mortality rate is equal to more production is equal to more profit. 4. Egg production for layer poultry farming. Egg production from a layer poultry farming depends on the care and farm management. If you take good care of your birds and manage them properly, then the production and profit will be high. Within the first 20 weeks of age, about 5% of hens start laying eggs. About 10% birds start laying at their 21 weeks of age. When they reach 26 to 30 weeks of age, they produce highly. Although, it may be different depending on their strain. After laying a maximum number of eggs, they usually stop laying for a few days. And after this period, their egg production might reduce slowly. Egg laying rate and size of eggs increases gradually. The hens grow till they're 40 weeks of age. Weight and size of eggs increases till they're 50 weeks of age. 5. Feeding for layer poultry farming. There are many companies available throughout the world, which are producing commercial feed and feed supplements for layer chickens. You can buy feed from your local market or make the feed at your own house. You have to be sure that the feed and feed supplements you bought are enriched with essential food value. Protein, vitamins and mineral are very important for laying hens, which is affecting the quality of eggs, layer poultry fertility and layer birds' health. 6. Water management for layer poultry farming. Chickens' health depend on the supply of pure, clean and fresh drinking water. You have to provide adequate water according to the demand of your laying hens. For purifying the water, mix AquaCure. Determine a suitable place to keep the water pot inside the poultry house. Supply cold water during summer season and hot weather, and slightly hot water in cold weather or winter season. 7. Marketing for layer poultry farming. Eggs are stored in a cool room at about 13 degrees Celsius and transported in an insulated truck. Unfortunately, many shops selling eggs do not store them under ideal conditions. In the home and shop situation, it is best to store them at normal refrigerator temperature 4 to 6 degrees Celsius. Marketing involves a range of prices, depending on the different sizes of egg, different brands, or other differences which attract particular buyers. Free range and fat modified eggs are among the varieties available. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.